let's discuss on one of the interesting topics for UPSC essay, and this statement was given by nonetheless one of the Nobel Prize winners for 2021, and she is one of the journalists known as Maria Ressa. She said social media bosses are the largest dictators. Now, how do you actually explain this in your essay? And this is a really important topic. Similar topics have been asked in past in your UPSC essay as well. So, Maria Ressa, let's talk about her first to give you an introduction about what we need to write in this essay. So she is one of the journalists, and she won the Nobel Prize in 2021 for peace, and she is an American Filipino journalist and had been fighting against the charges that has been filed by the Philippines administration Duterte during the tenure. And in her words, she said that Duterte is far a small dictator as compared to the social media dictators, which are basically held by tech bros, the two of them, Zuckerberg and Musk. So the idea is, regardless of whatever we are, whatever culture, race, identity, language, geography we belong to, it's important that we all are being manipulated in the same way. And social media platforms have a capability to change the way we feel, change the way we think, change the way we see the world and we act. And this is one of the reasons that has been citing to social media bosses as the largest dictators. So she actually suggested that there are only two ways through which we can lessen this impact. One is that either United States should get rid of the section 230 of the 1996 Communications Decency Act, which actually give these companies impunity. That means it protects the internet companies from the lawsuits over the content posted for the users. And the second one is the children, until and unless they are old enough, they should not be given access to social media. Now, there have been efforts like banning TikTok in United States, banning them in Italy, but this is not everything that could be controlled. Why? Because TikTok is one such platforms from China, but there are numerous other which have been controlling internet. And unless and until a proper mechanism has been brought for all of this, they would be inciting polarization, they would be inciting fear, anger, hatredness, and change individual at a personal and a societal level. So that is something that we need to actually be really vigilant about. A very, very important topic for your UPSC essays, and the previous year's topics have been discussed comprehensively. Now note, essay writing is really, really unique. Don't go on AI generated sources, don't go on previously written essays, memorize them and go for your examination, but try to read as many sources as possible, and this would give you a real insight and real picture. And what examiners actually want is that reality and originality that you write during your examination. So go through the essays that we have already discussed, see how our creators have written that, and that would give you an insight to think more about essay writing. But yes, don't ignore essays in UPSC. They are an important part of your scoring high in your mains examination. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day.